Hello everyone and welcome again to another tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful pearl beaded bag. I hope you're all doing great today and thank you for joining me. Let's get started. Hi and welcome back to another tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be a combination of two pearls, okay? So here is a pack of berry bead that I have. Okay, I'll be putting the link in the description box down below for those who want to have this pack. Okay, this is a 500-gram pack. It's a 14mm bead. Okay, this is a pearl 14mm, and this is 12 size 12mm pearls. Okay, that is what I'll be using together with the berry bead. I'll be putting the link in the description box down below. So I'm going to start with the 12mm pearls, okay? Here is my beading line. This is a size 50 pound that I'll be using. Size 50 pound. Here is my cutter. You can use scissors or nail cutter. Now let's start with 4 bead. I'm going to string all these 4 bead on the line, okay? String all 4 on the line like this. And now I'm going to hold the last one. I'm going to crisscross the other line into it like this and pull down, okay, like this. Now on each side of my line, I add 1 bead to each side of my line. Then I cross into another bead. This is the third one. Crisscross your line, hold the bead and pull down. So let's continue to repeat this 9 times, okay? So I'll continue to make this one more time, then you continue to make yours. 1 bead on each side of the line and cross into the third one and pull. Crisscross both ends of the line, hold the lines together and pull. And now we have 3 units done like this. So let's continue to make 9 of this like this. Now this is my 9 that I made, okay? If you count, it's 9, and I'm going to turn on this 9 to make 10. We are going to turn this way and continue with another row. So on my right line, I'm adding 3 bead to my right line, and I'm going to cross the last one with my left line and pull. That way my line will turn on the side. Then I start another row. I'm going to flip it over to my side, okay, like this. Let's start a new row again. Now this is my left line. I add 3 bead to my left line. Hold the last one and cross with the right line and pull down. Now my right line into the next. We are going to put the right line through all these bead, the edge bead 1 1 1, and add 2 bead to it. This is my left line. I'm adding 2 bead to the left line like this. Okay, then I hold the last one, cross with my right line and pull my right line into the next bead, and I add 2 bead to the left line, okay, 2 bead. I cross with my right line and pull my right line into the next bead. I add 2 bead to the left line like this, hold the last one and cross with the right line and pull into the next bead with my right line, and I'm adding 2 bead to the left line like this. I cross with the right line and pull. I'm going to continue the same way to the end, okay? And now I'm about to complete this row. I'm going to pull my right line into the last bead at the end, and on the same line, this is my right line. I add 2 bead to the right line, cross with the left line and pull down. I flip it over to my side, and now my left line again, I start with 3 bead. Start with 3 bead, cross with the right line and pull down. So now my right line again, I'm pulling through the next bead, and I add 2 bead to the left line, cross and pull down my right into the next bead. And this is how the weave is looking like. We are preparing the base for the bag, okay, with these pearls. So we are going to continue, complete this row and make another row, making 4, okay? So we are going to make 4 rows like this. So this rectangular shape that we have, we are going to weave around the edge. I pull my line through the very first bead, and we are going to start with the berry bead, okay? This is a 14mm berry bead. I'm putting 3 bead on the left line. like this. I cross with my right line and pull down. Okay, I'm pulling my right line into the next bead, 2 beads to the left line, cross with the right line and pull. I'm going to pull my right line again into the next bead, like this. And I add 2 beads to the left line, cross and pull down. I'm going to pull through the next bead again, so continue to do yours and I'll continue to do mine. I'll do the rest of camera and I'll come back and meet you here. I add 2 beads to the left line, cross with the right line and pull down. Okay, so we are going to use the same technique. Weave round this shape until we complete. Go round and complete. Okay, so when you come to the corner, just go right into the next bead and continue. Okay, nothing special, nothing fancy. So if you come here, just go right into the next bead and continue your weaving. Okay, don't stop over there, don't get confused. Just go right into the next bead, continue around the shape until you complete. All right, and this is what it's looking like. You see me weaving around the edge. Okay, this is the last one in the corner. Just continue to weave like this, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to continue around the shape until I complete it. Now let me show you how to step up. Okay, I'm going to pull through this and this bead, pull through the last bead and the one on the side like this. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is how it looks. The line looks like 1, 2, 3. That is where my line is. I take 1 bead, crisscross both ends of my line into it and pull. That is how we step up and continue to build on this row. Okay, and now we are going to continue to build on this one until we get our desired length that we want. Okay, I'm starting with 2 berry bead and in between I put pearl like this. Okay, I cross my right line into the pearl and pull. Now my right line into the next bead. Okay, like this, and I'm adding 1 pearl and 1 berry bead. Now I add a pearl first and a berry bead. Okay, I'm going to cross. This is how it looks like. I pick pearl first before berry bead. I cross into the berry bead and pull. Now my right line into the next bead. Okay, pull through next bead, and again I add pearl first before my berry bead. Okay, then I cross my right line into the berry bead and pull. My right line again into the next bead. So this is how we are going to add and build on top of this one until we complete. Okay, so pearl first before berry bead, cross into the berry bead and pull. And this is what the weave is looking like. We are going to continue round until we complete this row, and this is how it looks like. This is what it looks like. So again, let's step up and continue our weaving. I'm going to pull through this bead, okay, the middle bead, and come up into this one over here. Okay, like this. This is how my line is looking like in the bead, in the 3 bead. 1, 2, 3 over here. This is where my line is. I take 1 pearl, crisscross both ends of my line into it like this and pull. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now let's continue our weaving. We are going to continue with the pearls on top of it. Okay, now we are starting with 3 bead. We are going to continue to use pearl. Right line into the next bead, 2 pearl to the left line, cross and pull. And now pull through the next bead and add 2 pearl to the left line, cross and pull down into the next bead, 2 pearl to the left line, cross and pull down. And this is what it's looking like. So let's continue again and complete. So before I continue weaving and build another row, I'm going to lock my line here in this 4 bead. Okay, You see this 4 bead over here? That is where I'm going to lock my line. So I'm going to walk in this 4 bead. I pull it through this down bead and through the middle bead, this one right here. I'm going to pull my line through it. Then I'm going to come up through this bead into the top bead. Then I'm going to enter the top bead. Okay, pull through top bead like this and hold both lines and pull and pull tight, nice and neat. Okay, so now that we lock our line, we are going to continue with another row. All right, we are going to continue to weave and build on this one, and I'm going to start with 3 beads. So I take 2 pearls and in between I put the berry bead like this. I'm going to pull through the next bead, and my left line I add 1 berry bead and 1 pearl. Okay, cross and pull down into the next bead. I'm going to add 1 berry bead and 1 pearl, and I cross into the pearl. Okay, into the next bead, pull the right line into the next bead, 1 berry bead, 1 pearl, cross into the pearl and pull. And this is how we are going to continue. This is how the weave is looking like. We are going to continue to build on this one until we complete. Then after that we continue in the same pattern. Okay, so this is how the design is looking like. I complete the pearls with and then build the berry bead on it. Then now after berry bead I'm going to continue again with the pearl, and I'm going to continue this until I reach the desired length that I want. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, and we are going to build until we reach the desired length, and this is mine. So from here we just have to add a handle to it. This is my handle that we are going to add to the bag and attach it to it. Okay, this is what I made. Very simple. I made 2 of it, and this is where we are going to attach it. So first I want to measure and put it on the back to see where I can attach it. So I'm going to leave 1 bead behind and attach in the second bead. Okay, I'm going to leave. This is how it's going to look like. All right, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, now let's attach the handle. So now this is where my line is. Okay, my line is in this bead. All right, this bead, I have both ends of my line. I'm going to add 1 bead to my right line, 1 bead to the left line like this. Okay, I have it like this, and I'm going to ignore the first bead and come into the second one. Okay, ignore the first one, come into the second one and crisscross both ends of the line into the bead. Crisscross like this. Okay, hold the lines and pull like this. Pull nice and tight. Okay, now this is my right line. I'm adding 1 bead to my right line. Okay, and I'm going to pull this line through the back bead, this one right here. I'm pulling my right line through it, pull. Okay, now I'm holding my left line and I'm going to come up into the next bead. Okay, pull through this bead over here, and I have my both lines together. Let me turn the back for you to see. This is how the bead is looking like in the line. All right, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to tie over here. Okay, I'm going to hold both lines and tie nice and neat. Okay, tie both lines over here like this. This is how it looks like. This is how the handle is looking like, back and front. This is the front of the bag. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this line and weave back into the bead and secure them before I trim them off. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm just weaving the line back into the bead to secure it before I trim it off. Please, the link to the berry bead will be in the description box down below. You only need 1 bag, which a lot will be left for you to use again. Make sure the lines are secure before you trim it off. And that is how I do it. Okay, What I have to do is to attach the other ones to the bag, and it's done. So I'm going to attach the other one to the bag and the other side too, and this is how it looks like. The bag is complete. Our pearl beaded bag is complete. Very beautiful. I thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notifications for new videos that I'll be uploading so you don't miss on it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.